Welcome to Pantech Solutions. In this video, we are going to see demo on pedestrian detection using deep learning. Run the main program. GUI demo is the main file. Once you run the program, the graphical user interface pops up. Click Browse Image to choose an input image. I'm going to give one more image. It has been trained already. I'm not going to click training as it's going to take more time. The training should contain of pedestrian and non-pedestrian images. There is an option to choose video. So click Browse Video and choose the video. If you would like to purchase the source code or to modify the source code, you can reach us by clicking the link on the description box. Else, you can send a message to the WhatsApp number. Thank you.